Hey y'all, it's your girl Kristine Myangel and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I love you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you're notified when I post my latest videos. Today I will be doing a makeup tutorial slash a not a reaction but like a review, I guess. I will be following a tutorial from Makeup by Kirsten to achieve this look, and it's my second time doing it, and I want to do it on myself. The first time I did it on my niece, and I want to try it out for myself. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please stay watching and stay tuned.
So first, you guys, I'm gonna start off with my bras, and I use the elf instant lift bra. And if I keep looking down, it's because I have a mirror, because I don't have a mirror right here in this area, so I'll be looking through a mirror and just to get my bras perfect and stuff. Alright, try out back. I got primed my eyelids and did everything. I'm not a pro, so don't judge me. So I'm watching on my iPad. I might link the video up so you guys can see me while I'm doing it. I might, but I don't know. But she takes this, I'm on my BH Cosmetic Taking Back to Brazil palette, and so you get a brush. She takes a brush, this my Profusion brush. It doesn't say a name, but it came with one of the palettes I got. And she takes this color right here and she just packs it on her crease. So that's what I'm about to do. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I did the eyes. I mean, it's not like hers. I'm gonna insert a picture of what hers look like. I just did my lashes. It's always hard for me to put these lashes on. I don't think they on right. They're probably not. But since I'm done with that, I apologize about my background. I apologize. I might do a voiceover just to cover this up. I don't know. But now I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place concealer and 150, and then I'm gonna use my concealer I just got. And I'm gonna apply it with a wet beauty blenders. I'm gonna put it, dot it on my face, and then put a little bit of it and just blend it out. Okay, y'all, this how far I have got on the eyes, and if you can see, my nose probably look dark as edge because I was just looking at somebody do it. I was like, okay, she do it, and then I didn't know how to blend it out, so I look probably dark as ever. I can't fix it. And what I'm gonna do now is I also, by the way, the contour stick, I either use the Juvia's Place contour stick and Congo, and it's my first time order offline, and I got some blush too in Bella. I don't know if it's my right color, but I saw Anita, oops. And I'm about to try this out. I'm nervous because hopefully it'll mess up. And I also have Juvia's Place setting powder, but last time I put the setting powder on, boy, just know. Last time I put the setting powder on, it was a mess, like a hot mess. I don't even know what brush to use to like do this, so I think it's this brush. I don't know. And I think it's supposed to be on this area. So,
y'all, look how bright it is. Like, I did not know it's gonna be this bright. I don't know how to fix it. Oh man, I feel like I look so ugly right now. What? That's what I get for trying to try new things. That's what I get. I also have what do I have? What do I have, y'all? Oh, highlighter. But the only highlight I have is from this True Complexion contour palette from Black Rays. I got dark to deep because when I first learned my makeup, I was following this YouTuber. Can't remember her name, but I used to do this for my brows, and they got highlight up there. So instead of just buying highlighter from buy more highlighter, that's what I was initially gonna do. I was like, I might as well just use the highlight I got up here because I did get two. Well, my boyfriend got two on accident. So, ooh. Oh, and this is a Real Technique brush. It's at 306. Let's try it. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try some highlighter right here. I ain't gonna put a lot because I put a lot on this nose and I don't even know if this look right. And y'all, my hair looking a mess. After I did my last video, you know, I'm trying to go natural and stuff, and my hair didn't react the way I thought it was gonna react, and yeah, it just looked a mess. So I was just like, what should I do? I know my lips been looking chapped this whole time. So I also followed another YouTuber who said good nude thing. So I'm gonna see if this works. And I have ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and I have it in, I think I got BFF3. And I also have the NYX Duro lipstick lip gloss, and this is Springing On. And I also just got, I got this from the nail shop, and it's some coconut oil lipstick, but it's not the only one. I also have Elf lip gloss, and it's clear. This one, I actually like this, and I think I don't know if I tried this. My little sister loves this, so I don't think it'll be bad. So what I'm gonna start off doing right now is putting some of this on my lips. Do this first and then this. I don't know which order it goes in. Hopefully I don't mess up when I do this first. I don't know what order it's supposed to go in, so wish me luck. Maybe this was supposed to go last because it's glittery. Maybe. Let me see.
Oh, that's a lot. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this, y'all. I do not like this. Look how it look. I don't like this. Clear lipstick or something? I don't like that at all. I do not like this. I'm gonna keep it on for y'all. But what I think I'm about to do is I'm about to get myself together and come back and let you guys know. Alright, y'all, I'm back. You know, I have to do something to my hair or whatever, my wig. And this is the final look. I feel like I did alright. And I tried a lot of new products too, so that's why I was a little skeptical. I like it. I don't like it. I just was showing my sisters and my...
And it's actually my first time also using like the highlighter and stuff, and I think I did pretty good. You know, I'm new to this. I'm not a pro, so I'm not gonna be best. I know I will have some things. You guys probably have some things to say. Just let me know, and I feel proud of myself. It's just more and more practice that I really need to do. And thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please also comment and also share this video to your friend, your mama, your cousin. Share it to somebody. And also I would like you guys to also go view my last 2 videos I posted. Let's get those to 100 views and also get this one to 100 views at least. And thank you guys for watching, and I love you guys and hope to see you guys next time.